let's do a new document in here. So I'm going to go to File and New, and I've gone down to Devices, and then I've just chosen Android because that will give me sort of 1080 by 1920. I can't remember offhand what size it should be for a carousel, but if it's different to that, you can then put your own sizes right in there. If I go to Pages, you'll find that Facing Pages is not selected in here, and the number of pages, well, I'll just have one for the moment, and we'll click on Create. Now I want to add some more pages to this, and if I go up to the top here and add pages, what I'm going to do is choose the number of pages I want. So I want to add in 4 more pages because I want 5 altogether for this carousel. And instead of just saying flow pages, if I do that, what will happen is they'll go below each other. I'm just going to undo that. So let me do that once more. Click on to add the pages. I'm going to say extend the spread. So we want to have 4 new pages in there. Click OK, and you'll see how it extends it out like that. Now all I've got to do is then fill this with my content. So I'm going to go over here and add a photo. So let me go and find a picture in here to use. Let's go and find this one there. So I'm just going to pop in those kids. And they almost fit one in each of those little areas, but that's beside the point. I just need to go to File and export this now. I'm exporting it as a JPEG file. There's the size in there. Quality, I don't know, around about sort of 80 or so. You don't want to go too low with that. And then down here, we've got the quality at 80. That's absolutely fine. I'll click on Export. And that's done. Let me put that on my desktop. So you'll see now that I've actually got first file, second file, third, fourth, and fifth. If I just click on this and show them, that's the first one, then that, then that, then that, then that. And those should then just work as a carousel, and you can scroll backwards and forwards throughout one long picture.